are getting ready to go out. We're doing some Target shopping, and I'm not sure where else we're going, but I know I need to go also to Tropical Smoothie. So I am going to show you what girlfriend is rocking today. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what I am rocking today. I have on my Azal sweatshirt, and I have on my Michael Kors jean skirt, and also I have on my brown boots, and they are from Cato's that I purchased many years ago. So guys, this is what I am rocking for December 3rd. Hey!
I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down, love, seven. Go down, love, honey. Go down, love, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down, love, seven. Go down, love, honey. Go down, love, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love, love. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down, love, seven. Go down, love, honey. Go down, love, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down, love, seven. Go down, love, honey. Go down, love, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down, love, seven. Go down, love, honey.
Okay guys, after I saw that tray, I found these candle holders, and they match the tray perfect. So guys, look what I did. I looked on both shelves on both sides, and I came up with this in a tray. This is absolutely beautiful together. So this was my next find. I did like the brass bowl, but it's not what I would purchase per se, but it was this tray, guys. Oh my goodness. This tray is $35, and guys, it is not that light, but it's absolutely beautiful.
We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, babe.
Guys, that mirror right there, that circle, that would be perfect where I was saying I want on my nightstands. That is absolutely perfect.
Your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth, drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence.
So guys, I found these. It's a quick DIY. Nothing but a crate and a candle. Some months ago, I did pick up this set. And also I picked up this set. So guys, they're absolutely so pretty.
I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet.
Stop sleeping on Target, y'all. Everybody going to Victoria's Secret. Look at there. Beautiful. And this is so many different ones. Stop sleeping on Target. Look at these. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, and look at there. Oh, wee. They're all 5 for $20. Guys, oh my goodness. I can go cuckoo in here. I wish I had this sectional. I like this sectional. Look at there. Oh, wow.
For some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near, whenever you're near.
Hi guys, I want to come in quickly because as you saw in Target, I picked up the cotton candy. This is champagne flavored cotton candy. And if you know me, I love cotton candy. I'm gonna open this and taste it, but I will be for Valentine's, before Valentine's, doing a champagne drink, something with alcohol, and to add cotton candy. So I have already took the seal off. So let's see. Not sure what, it smells peanut butter-ish to me. Let me see what it's gonna taste like. I don't think it tastes like champagne. Not at all. But it is, I think it was $3.99 at Target. So that is what it looks like. But it, of course, you see it has two different flavors. I don't want to take that up to taste the bottom, but I did taste the dark pink. So guys, I just wanted to drop in to let you know that I taste this. And I mean, it tastes good, but I don't think it tastes like champagne. So another thing I want to say before I leave, guys. Did you see over there in that video just now? Did you see that? When I was telling you about the pretty panties at Target? Girls, oh my gosh. There are 5 pair for $20. It doesn't matter if you want the thong, you want the boy shorts, you want the hip huggers. I can't think of what all. In there is like a little poster showing you some of the ones that the feel of it feels so good. The ones that are lace, they are cotton seats. Too bad I don't do penny try-on hauls because, girls, yes, I did pick up many of them. And what I may do a panty haul. I may do that, but I would not be in them. I would be showing them only. Okay, so y'all, thank y'all for spending some Sunday with me. Today is December the 3rd, and I am going to get out of here. So I will see you in the next one. But remember, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. And if you're new here at VeeHive, hello, welcome. I am Vondessa. And if you're oldie but definitely a goodie, hi, welcome back. And guys, you know what I always say at the end. I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.